You mentioned that part of the reason you have these 17 metrics is because you want to appeal to eventually be able to sell the entire portfolio to a private equity company or something like that. What are they looking for? What's the end play that you see, in terms of how big this needs to be in order to appeal to them? And what's an appealing portfolio if somebody was listening to this and like, I'd like to build a portfolio and sell it as well?
You need to be thinking about what that end buyer is going to want. For us, our average home is around $480,000 of purchase price. They're around 500 now. Around 200 homes or $100 million worth of equity is kind of the tipping point where larger funds will get excited about the portfolio and it's big enough for them to be interested in. Depending on the purchase price of somebody's portfolio, around 100 million total is the number you want to be shooting for. The diligence that goes into an acquisition of that standpoint is much, much higher than every standard traditional real estate acquisition. So for example, we are needing to basically build our data room as we go along because they're going to need all this information. I need to have every single invoice we paid for every single maintenance technician for every single house forever neatly categorized. I need to have the make, model, serial number of every single oven and every single microwave and every single furnace in a spreadsheet. I need to have every single furnace filter size in a spreadsheet. We got to have all that data together because they're going to demand and expect that. If you don't have it, they're going to haircut you on price because they're going to assume that the properties are not taken care of to the level that they would want them to have been taken care of because you can't prove it with the data.